Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today for class 8 students we are going to discuss assignment number 24 on number system. Let us see the first question. If 2 to the power of 36 minus 1 is 688 19476735, then what is the digit A? It's an interesting question. Let us first take 2 power 36 minus 1. This can be written as 2 cube to the power of 12 minus 1 to the power of 12. Because 2 cube is 8, 8 power 2 cube means 2, 3 12s are anyway 36. Now I can write it as 2 cube is 8, 8 power 12 minus 1 power 12. Okay, here if we have one concept, that is, if n is even, x power n minus y power n is divisible by x plus y. This is very important result. If n is an even number, x power n minus y power n is divisible by x plus y. If you observe the power here, 12 is even. So 8 power 12 minus 1 power 12 is divisible by 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is nothing but 9. As n is equal to 12, 8 power 12 minus 1 power 12 is divisible by 8 plus 1, that is nothing but 9. So this number 2 power 36 minus 1 is divisible by 9. So definitely even this number is divisible by 9. As this is divisible by 9, sum of the digits of this number must be divisible by 9. Using that we can find out a value. Now let us try to find out the sum of the digits. What is that? 6 plus 8 plus a plus 1 plus 9 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 7 6 7 plus 3 plus 5. If you see the result, it is going to be 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 10, 24, 24 plus 11, 35, 35 plus 10, 45, 45 plus 11, 56 plus a. The sum is 56 plus a. So 56 plus a must be a multiple of 9. So if it is a multiple of 9, 56, next multiple of 9 is 63. So a can take the value as 7. If a is 7, 56 plus 7 is 63. That is a multiple of 9. Then the entire number is said to be multiple of, that is divisible by 9. So here a can take the value as 7. That is nothing but the third option. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. The number 2 power 48 minus 1 is divisible by two numbers between 60 and 70. Then what is their sum? Okay. Now let us take 2 power 48 minus 1. That is, we can write it as, if it is, we can write it in the form of a square minus b square. That is 2 to the power of 24 whole square minus 1 square. So that can be written as 2 to the power of 24 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 24 minus 1. Anyway, leave it like this, 2 to the power of 24 plus 1, let us leave it like this. Again, this can be written as 2 to the power of 12 whole square. So that we can write it as 2 to the power of 12 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 12 minus 1. Again, these two, let us leave it. Then if you simplify this, this is going to be 2 to the power of 6 minus 1 into, this number will come as it is, 2 to the power of 6 plus 1. 2 to the power of 6 minus 1 into 2 to the power of 6 plus 1. We have this value here, and in addition to this, product of these two also we have. If you observe these two, this is nothing but 63 and this value is nothing but 65. So 63 and 65 are factors of 2 power 48 minus 1. So 2 power 48 minus 1 is divisible by 63 as well as 65. Why I am considering about 63 and 65? Because these are the two numbers between 60 and 70. Okay, that's why I am concentrating on 63 and 65. So these two numbers sum he is asking. What is that? 63 plus 65 is 128. So that is nothing but the second option. Of course, in addition to these factors, we have remaining factors also. But they are all not between 60 and 70. They are more than that. So we don't consider them. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. If 11 power n minus 6 power m times 16 power m minus 5 power m, m is a natural number, is divisible by 50 plus x, then x is equal to, let us understand this, 11 power m minus 6 power m, okay, into 16 power m minus 5 power m is the product given. m is a natural number, he is saying. If m is a natural number, 16 power m minus 6 power m is always divisible by 11 minus 6. It is always divisible by 11 minus 6. Even here, 16 power m minus 5 power m is always divisible by 16 minus 5. So this is nothing but 5 and this is nothing but 11. So this number is always divisible by 5. This number is always divisible by 11. As it is a product, it must be always divisible by 5 into 11, that is 55. So the entire number will have 5 into 11, that is 55 as its factor. 5 is a factor, of course, 11 is a factor, so 55 also a factor of it. If you observe here, it is divisible by 50 plus x, he is saying. 5 11s are 55, so 50 plus x, if x is 5, definitely 55 is divisible by 5 into 11, 55. So definitely, out of the given options, x can take the value as 5, that is first option. Okay, now let us see the next question. If n is odd, then 20 power n plus 17 power n is divisible by. So again here we have 20 power n plus 17 power n. If n is odd in the case we have like this. If n is odd, x power n plus y power n is divisible by x plus y. X plus y, because x plus y, if you take is 0, x is minus y. If you take x as minus y here, minus y whole power n, that is minus y power n plus y power n becomes 0. So this is very very important. If n is odd, x power n plus y power n is divisible by x plus y. Therefore 20 power n plus 17 power n is divisible by x plus y, that is 20 plus 17, that is nothing but 37. So this particular number 20 power n plus 17 power n is always divisible by 37, that is nothing but the first option. Okay, that is the end of today's assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.